Welcome or welcome back to French Action. My name is Jenny, and in lesson 16 we tried to buy a dress, but we ended up buying a bag. Now let's buy some shoes, shall we? Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Au magasin de chaussures. Au magasin de chaussures. At the shoe shop. What can we buy in that shop? Well, we could buy des chaussures à talons hauts. We know already that chaussure is shoes. Talon is heel. And haut means high. So we are talking about high heel shoes as opposed to flat shoes. Des chaussures plates. And when it's cold, we want des bottes. And leather shoes would be des chaussures en cuir. Cuir is leather. Des chaussures en cuir. We could buy socks. Des chaussettes. Or slippers. Des pantoufles. Why not flip-flops? Des tongs. But I prefer sandals. Des sandals. Let's go and buy some shoes. Now, we are going to go through a dialogue and you will see a C part, which is the customer part. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti.
Bonjour madame, vous désirez?
Je cherche une paire de chaussures.
Des chaussures plates ou à talons?
À talons.
Bon, j'ai cette paire rouge et ce modèle.
Je voudrais cette paire.
Quelle est votre pointure?
Je fais du 37.
Cette paire vous va?
C'est un peu serré.
Oh, c'est normal, c'est neuf.
Je la prends. Ça fait combien?
78 €.
D'accord.
Comment allez-vous payer?
Je vais payer en espèces. Voilà.
Merci. 80 €. Voici votre monnaie.
So, if you didn't quite understand the dialogue, I'm going to explain it now. So, bonjour madame, vous désirez? It's another way of saying how can I help you? Okay? Vous désirez, puis-je vous aider, which we saw in the previous video, means basically the same. Je cherche une paire de chaussures. Je cherche, I remind you that it means I am looking for. I'm looking for a pair of shoes. And then the sales assistant asks, des chaussures plates ou à talons? Plate, flat, à talons, with heel. So the customer responded, à talons. Bon, j'ai cette paire rouge et ce modèle. So if you remember, there were two types of shoes. Set mean this red pair. I remind you that colors are placed after. So I have this red pair and this model. Je voudrais cette paire. Je voudrais, something to remember, I would like. I would like this pair. Quelle est votre pointure? Quelle est votre pointure? Pointure is shoe size, not size, shoe size. Quelle est votre pointure? What's your shoe size? Je fais du 37, so my shoe size is 37. Here we are using French sizes. And you're going to see right at the end of the video I have put the sizes for women for the shoes, okay? So you can have a look at this right at the end of the video. So it gives you an idea of what 37 is in US or UK. Cette paire vous va? Does this pair fit? So we had vous va. If you remember in the previous video, does this dress, I think it was, does this dress suit you? But here, instead of suit, we're going to say fit for the shoes. Cette paire vous va? The customer says, c'est un peu serré. It's a little bit tight. So the sales assistant said, c'est normal, c'est neuf. It's normal. It's new, brand new, meaning never been used. However, the customer has decided to go for it. Je la prends. So here, je la prends, la, because we are talking about the pair of shoes. Okay? Just the pair. So in the previous video, I taught you c'est combien? How much is it? Ça fait combien? It's the same thing. I'm just trying to get you exposed to different ways of saying something, because the reality is that we don't know what the sales assistant will say on the day you're going to be there. So it's better to be exposed to different types of possibilities. D'accord is okay. Comment allez-vous payer? How are you going to pay? In the previous video, it was, are you going to pay by card or by cash? But here, I'm not saying that. I'm saying, how are you going to pay? And you will have to say, je vais payer en espèces. In this case, it's en espèces, by cash. If it was by card, you would have said par carte. Here you are, voilà. And then the person is counting the cash. The person has received 80 euros, but it's 78 euros. So there will be some change, 2 euros change. So voici votre monnaie. Here's your change. Be careful, monnaie doesn't mean money, even though it looks like it. La pointure, shoe size. Je fais du, my size is. La monnaie, the change. C'est neuf, it's brand new. C'est un peu serré, it's a little tight. Here are my 3 C's. C pour chaussure, C pour cuir, and C pour cire. Did you get that? We have come to the end of this video. Vous aimez cette vidéo? If you do, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir!